India lost their 5th wicket for 213.
Rohit Sharma made his debut in the last match, did not bat, so first international runs for him.
Gone, 211 for 6.
He's bowled him. Well, looking to hit mid-wicket, closing the face of the bat, Rohit Sharma. It's a very good comeback by the South African bowlers in the last few overs. Andrew Hall has bowled well, and now it's Jacques Kallis.
Yeah, just trying to hit a 2 square. It just wasn't there to hit, was it? And the top of leg stump goes back. Jacques Kallis picks up his first wicket. So Sharma on his way for 8. India with 4 balls to go, a 240 for 7.